For today's video, I'm making bopis. So, lagyan natin ng suka and saka ginger. Boil it for 40 minutes. Just wait. Okay, food processor natin ito. This onion, carrots, and green pepper, red pepper. The food processor. Dahil tinatamad tayong maghiwa, so I put it sa food processor para lagay na tayo ng bawang, sibuyas, ilagay natin yung chicken gizzard and pork heart, yung puso. Kutsa natin. Lagyan natin ng anato powder. Para magkaroon ng kulay. Okay, let's put the carrots. Food processor na carrots. And then green pepper. Okay. Lagyan natin ng sili para may konting kick ang bopis natin. At saka 1 cup coconut milk para lalong maging masarap. Okay, my bopis for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a little bit spicy, so I put chili.